Okay, so I just finished Goat Ridge Loop, which is a hike over near Packwood, and I just wanted to sort of put together a video and tell about my experience and tell about the trail a little bit. It's a very nice trail. It's located near Packwood. It's about an 11.6 mile loop. It depends on where you go, but it's 18.7 kilometers for people outside the U.S. and it is a full day. It's about, I think we got on the trail around 11:30 a.m. Went all the way, and we hit the parking lot around 6:30 p.m. We did take breaks to take pictures. Obviously, you wouldn't want to go on this hike without a camera, just because it's one of the best parts of this hike. Is just how photogenic the scenery is. It's just great meadows and everything. It does feature overnight camping. There was a lot of people that I saw just camping, set up tents. I would actually highly recommend camping there overnight instead of doing the whole loop, just because there's a lot of very, very nice places to do that. And a lot of the creeks just have like good looking water, especially when you're tired all day. Just from hiking, you almost want to just drink straight from the stream just because of how good looking it is. But one requirement you need to have is the National Forest Pass, and these are about $5 a day or $30 annually. You can print these out on the website, or you can go down to I think it's Branton's Grocery down in Packwood and just pick it up from the customer service store there. And this is actually a good stop if you need to get some food before you go. I would recommend food, but yeah. The best months to go are July, August, and September. Obviously, just because you want to go in the sunny weather, where you can see all the green, blue sky, nice lake. I wouldn't recommend this during the winter months, and I think there's going to be limited access in the winter months, just because the road you have to take is probably not well maintained, especially when there's ice and snow. But yeah, so the directions you want to take are from Packwood. You want to go west on Highway 12 and take a left onto Forest Road 21 and watch the mile markers. You're going to go 13 miles down Forest Road 21 and then eventually turn. It's a slight left onto Forest Road 2150. You want to follow the signs to just Snowgrass Flats or Berry Patch Trailheads. You can go to either one. I went to Snowgrass Flats. If I was going to do it again, I would prefer to start out in Snowgrass Flats, just because you get to walk on Goat Ridge on the last bit of the loop, and Goat Ridge is just one of the best looking parts of the hike. So yeah, loop trailheads. There's Snowgrass Flats, Berry Patch. Those are the only trailheads that I saw. I didn't see anything else. I'll include a picture of the trail, so everybody can see. But starting from Snowgrass Flats, you want to follow Trail 96, go to Trail 86, and then Trail 95, and that's going to take you through the whole loop. Once you go through if you start at Snowgrass Flats, you'll end up in Berry Patch going this route, and then from Berry Patch you'll just walk along the road a little bit further. It's like maybe a half a kilometer to back to Snowgrass Flats. So first of all, the scenery is what makes this hike. You get spectacular views, very green valleys with pine trees coming in. The way it opens up, once you get outside, when you're in Snowgrass Flats, you're going through a bunch of trees, but there's a point when you get on trail, I think it's go from 86. Once you get onto 86, it just opens up, and the meadows just become unbelievably gorgeous. You get like just all the green vegetation's out. It's Washington, Western Washington, not Eastern Washington. So you get all your green plants, all the wildflowers I saw out there. Broadleaf lupine. There's a ton of broadleaf lupine. Western anemone, seedhead, and common paintbrush. There's one other one that I didn't identify. I didn't identify all the plants out there. I did see daffodils also. Yeah, and in my opinion, I think Goat Lake sort of made the hike. The meadows were great, but once you get to Goat Lake and you see the just the icy blue water, and it actually hurts. I put my feet in it and I put my hands in it, It actually, the cold like penetrates the skin, and I went on an 85-degree sunny day. It's still like a really uncomfortable cold. I don't even think you can swim in it. It seems like one of those things is probably preserved. But it's seriously one of my favorite parts of this whole hike. What else? There's a ton of small creeks. You'll see them in pictures that I'll include in this video.